Hello and welcome to your tutorial on how to register with a new account in the iMS software. Once you navigate to the login page, the first thing you're going to do is click on Register as a new user. Here you'll be prompted to enter in information in order to register. Enter in your email and create a password. Be sure to follow all of the password requirements listed in the orange text. Once you click Enter or click Register, a confirmation email will be sent to your inbox. Be sure to find this email and click on the Validate link. This will now thank you for confirming your email address and give you the opportunity to log in for the first time. Make sure you enter your credentials correctly, using the same information you used during registration. On your first login, you'll be prompted to enter in some information as required by your municipality. After you've entered in all the required fields, click Save, and you'll be taken to the home page, logged in as a new user.